Alright, what's up y'all? Bad Motor Scooter, Post Canyon, Black Trail. Starts off with a couple tabletops. This last one's step up. And then you start into the trail, got a gap to the right, sets you up nicely for this tabletop right there, right into the berm. I took the right side there, but you could jump that tabletop into that next one. And keep the speed up here. Need to work on leaning that bike over, giving that pressure on that right foot. Nice hit to the right, it's a little gapper, set you up nice for the step down right there. Tabletop. Left turn, right berm. I don't know if I'm scared of the speed or it's just an experience and not being familiar with the trail. This is my first run. But you can definitely carry speed through this. Need to use all of the berm, get on the higher side, slow myself down. Doing a way better job of looking through the turns. Some roots here. It's kind of steep. I wouldn't say it's that steep though. I think they're working on that gap jump right there. Or they're probably gonna take it out, maybe change it. Slow tabletop there.
A little tight.
Quick switch back. And right in here, I rolled this, but I think you can drop it. And keep the speed up here. And we'll be able to clear this gap pretty easily. I used the berm there a little bit. Keep on that high side. Nice little set of tabletops and doubles there. And the jumps definitely keeps your speed up. Nice gap jump right there. Low consequence, more of a tabletop there. And then this looked more intimidating than it really is. I should have hit it, but oh well. That's pretty much it though. You just ride out here. Put you right into Upper Grand Prix. That's Bad Motor Scooter.